Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Globe. At the time of production, AMP price was at $0.049 and has a market cap of over $2.1 billion, making it the 63rd largest crypto in the world by market cap. AMP is currently down by 7.3% in the last 24 hours. Today in this video we're going to tell you if the AMP coin will hit $0.1 in 2021, and also we'll tell you about the future price prediction. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video so that you don't miss out. Before we get going though, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our new videos. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it. AMP is one of the most active cryptocurrencies that took the crypto world by storm this year. To be specific, the crypto was able to achieve an all-time high price of $0.121 last June 16, 2021. This amazing performance of AMP enables the network to attract crypto investors around the world. Furthermore, aside from its aggressive performance this year, AMP enables its users to earn more AMP tokens. In particular, the network rewards its users with AMP tokens by simply allowing seeding after every torrent file download. Best of all the reward tokens earned from the torrent file seeding will automatically be stored in the user's wallet. In this AMP price analysis and price prediction, we take a look at the performance of AMP if it will reach $0.1. But before that, let us learn more about AMP. AMP is explained as the new digital collateral token providing instant, verifiable assurances for any type of value transfer. Moreover, with AMP, networks like Flexa can fastly and irreversibly secure transactions for a huge type of asset-related use cases. Moreover, AMP claims to provide a straightforward but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization via a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers. Even more, the collateral partitions could be designated in order to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances that are directly verifiable on the blockchain of Ethereum. Collateral managers are smart contracts that could be locked, released, and redirected collateral in the partitions as required in order to support value transfer activities. Furthermore, AMP supports a huge range of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which could enable special capabilities like collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. AMP was created by Flexa, which operates a payment solutions app of the same name. Consequently, AMP is now the cryptocurrency collateral of choice on the Flexa app. With $1.4 billion worth of spending capacity available for Flexa merchants and users, AMP has gained far more traction. Put simply, that means at any given time, a total of up to $1.4 billion worth of transactions can be processed on the network, and the parties involved don't have to worry that they won't go through. The AMP tokens, as collateral, are guarantees against fraud, default, etc. More than 41,000 retail locations across the US and Canada use Flexa to facilitate digital payments. On the user end, anyone with a recognized digital wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet can use it to spend their digital currencies, as the wallet developers partnered with Flexa in bringing out the payment solution. First of all, the problem that AMP solves isn't necessarily a big one. All you need to send money on a blockchain peer-to-peer network is a digital wallet and the recipient's wallet address. Obviously, it can take days for transactions to settle when a network is overloaded, but all of them do eventually go through. If they didn't, there would be no way cryptocurrencies would trade at anything near their current market caps. What AMP really does is give vendors the peace of mind that they don't have to wait for a cryptocurrency transaction to finalize before moving on to their next customer. But those solutions aren't new. One can already view pending transactions on Bitcoin Explorer and Etherscan long before they settle. Secondly, the reward earned for depositing one's AMP into the collateral pool isn't magnificent. The interest rate stands at 2% a year, which is pretty low in cryptocurrency realms. Luckily, AMP isn't at a dead end, and the token is a work in progress. It isn't tied to Flexa per SE, and it could expand its utility to collateralize trades on decentralized exchanges. Investors with a high risk tolerance might consider opening a small position as a bet on its ability to advance. Now that you already have an idea about what AMP cryptocurrency is, do you think AMP is a good investment this 2021? If you are already excited to know, let's get started. Currently, AMP holds 32nd place on CoinMarketCap. Would the market performance be enough for AMP to maintain its bullish position in 2021? Are you excited to know the results? Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get to the bottom of it in this AMP price prediction 2021. In the short to mid-term scenario for our AMP price prediction 2021, AMP has to break past the retracement level at $0.086. To do this, it has to establish more support at the fib level at $0.075. If not, bears may gain the upper hand and drag AMP to their territory. Meanwhile, our long-term AMP price prediction for 2021 is bullish. Even more, it has a high possibility of reaching a new all-time high this year. However, that will only happen if it breaks past a number of psychological resistances. If this bullish trend continues, AMP will reach $0.095 by the end of 2022. Moreover, the first half of 2022 is going to show fast growth, up to 12 cents. Then this rise will slow down, but no major falls are expected. With upcoming partnership and developments reaching $0.095 is quite optimistic in the price point of view, but undoubtedly feasible for the near future. The price of AMP in 2023 can move even great heights, however, reaching 15 cents. Moreover, this is possible only if the market maintains its bullish trend. In addition, only if the cryptocurrency AMP breaks past the psychological resistance level. As per the latest upgrades, developments, AMP price prediction, and new project forecasts of the platform. Moreover, this might boost the price of AMP in the crypto market, and it will be the best investment as the price can spike and reach around 25 cents by 2024. In 2025, AMP prices could race up to 35 cents. However, reaching this level could not be so difficult for AMP as additional medium, short-term, and long-term price targets could be found to purchase or sell orders. This indicates that AMP has a high possibility of reaching a new ATH soon in the next 5 years as per the prediction. AMP has a bright future ahead of it in 2021. With ongoing developments happening within the AMP ecosystem, as well as in the overall crypto market, we may see AMP reach new heights. Even more, the bullish AMP price prediction for 2021 is $0.086. As said above, it may even reach a new ATH if investors have decided that AMP is a good investment in 2021 along with mainstream cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Moreover, it has a chance to reach $0.1 in the latter parts of this year as well. I am not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for educational purposes only. You should not buy, sell, trade, or invest in any asset based on what I say in these videos. You should know that investing carries extreme risks, and you could lose your entire investment. This is not trading advice, and I am in no way liable for any losses incurred. With that, we have come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching till the end. Good luck and happy investing.